Hi everyone, it has been a while since I haven't released a YouTube video. Therefore, I thought a short update will be useful. I was on vacation and made a break for a couple of weeks, but that doesn't mean that I wasn't active. So, for the digital Mittelstand, great episodes are coming. We will talk about low code, cloud solutions, automating production processes, and digital factories. On top of that, we have recently released a TSAX webinar, and I will continue with the introduction to TSAX video series, both in English and in German. On the 360 digital transformation side, we have two new projects and working on exciting use cases. By the way, the Digital Mittelstand has reached almost 90 subscribers, and I will have a small present for the 100 subscriber. So stay tuned and please subscribe and hit the bell button if you haven't done yet. Ciao!